Hi there, friends. So, a lot of you have asked me about how I do my press on nails. I cannot wear acrylic nails because my nail bed is too oily and they fall off. That has happened to me for years. And so, if I was to do the salon acrylic nails, it would cost me a ton of money. They would fall off anyway. And so, I just decided to try press on one day. And at first, I could not get them to stick no matter what I did. And I started experimenting with a bunch of different glues. I think that I found a combination. It's not necessarily just about the glue, it's about a couple other things. So I'm going to do that with you. If you're interested, all the information about all of this will be listed and linked down in the description box and down in the first pinned comments. So any product that I might use or anything. And the nails that I'm using more than likely won't be available because I cannot believe how quickly press-on nails sell out on Amazon, and that's where I buy them all. They're about somewhere anywhere. You can get them from $5 on up to $15. I usually end up paying about $7 for mine, and I can get them to wear from 10 days to 2 weeks without popping off, and that is a lot better than the like 120 some dollars that you pay every time you go to the salon and have them done. So let's get started. This is your new best friend. You're going to want to order you some pads or some just alcohol, or go buy some, whatever. I use a square pad. It just works out better for me. You have to dehydrate your nail bed. And just cleaning them with soap and water is not quite enough. Wearing false nails also damages your nail bed. There's not a lot you can do about it, so don't start if you don't want your nail bed damaged. If you think that I'm gonna just wear these once and then not have any damage, usually it doesn't happen that way, just so you know. Okay, I left my 2 index fingers naked for you so that you could see them. I'm taking that alcohol pad and I am dehydrating it. And I'm going to, the first couple of times I do this, I'm going to make sure that I really just saturate this. And you're gonna rub as much junk off of there. You're gonna wash your hands first, by the way, and then you're going to use the alcohol pad. Each of these boxes that you get for the nails, they'll come with probably about 20 nails in there to 24 nails depending on your package. It'll come with that. It will come with these little sticky tabs right here, and then it will sometimes come with a glue, sometimes not. It'll come with a little emery board. Don't ever use that stupid little emery board for anything because it'll chew your nail up to pieces. The first time that you want to rough up the top of your fingernail, you can do that. If you do that, make sure that you go back in after you rough up the top of your nail with the pad to clean off any little particles. You have the little nail itself, and there will be on it a little rounder side and a little squarer side if that's what you're working with. Now these are short ones, and they have the round part, which we want to put down by our cuticle, and then they have the square part, which is the tip usually. You can shape them however you want to after you get them on. You want to take these tab things right here, the little tab sticky things, and you want to, it doesn't have to be exact, so don't feel like you gotta, do science with this or anything. You want to kind of look at which one is going to be approximately the size of this nail. Now, I would say do it a little bit bigger because you do want it to come clear to the edge of the nail. And I'm just gonna grab one of these tabs, and there's a little tab part of it that doesn't have any sticky on it. And then you're going to put that on the side that is by your cuticle, so that round side. You're going to go clear up to the edge of that. I got to get my glasses. You're going to go clear up to the edge of that, and you're going to place, and you guys know I shake like a mad woman. You're going to place that tab right there, and you're going to have it come to the edge, the sticky or the sticker part come to the edge of the round part of the nail. Now, I just hold it for a minute to get it to really adhere to the nail a lot. And I just kind of warms it up with your finger a little bit, and it's gonna, release from the tab a little bit easier. Then you just release that tab and pull, and it should come off fairly easy. There it is right there. And then this is the glue that I finally found. This is called Beauty Secrets Nail Glue. I have never found this on Amazon. I found it at Sally Beauty, and I just ordered like 2 or 3 of them, but this thing right here will last you almost a year if you're doing your nails every 2 weeks. So just so you know that. So you're gonna get that. You're going to put exactly, don't do more than this and try not to do less than this. You're going to wait until it drops a whole drop onto that part, or that tip part, the rounded tip part of the nail. If you go before it actually drips, you're not going to get as much as you need. So you wait for it to drip. Sometimes I take the tip of the glue and spread around a little bit. More likely I don't. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the tip of that nail and I actually just stick it down, and then I make sure that I'm looking at it and that I'm pushing it close to the cuticle, not on top of the cuticle, because that will make it pop off later. Push it down to the cuticle. Hold it up like this, because if you have excess glue and you go like this, or you go sideways or whatever, it's going to come onto that other finger and then you might ruin the top of that new nail. So hold it up like this and put pressure on the whole entire thing. Sometimes I'll do 2 drops on my thumb, because what I have a tendency to have happen is, because the thumb's bigger, is just doing a drop down here by the cuticle can make the tip of the nail lift a little bit. So notice how I'm holding this, and I'm holding it for approximately 30 seconds. You want to give it that full 30 seconds, because in that pressure, it's going to work out any little air bubbles, and it's going to make that sticker and the glue stick together. Now you are going to, underneath the tip right here, usually have some residual glue, and there's not much you can do about it. Don't try to dig it out. Don't try to do anything with it, because that extra glue is going to help keep everything in place. And if you try to dig it out, you're probably going to lift your nail. Now what I got is a glass nail file. I'll make sure I list that down below for you. And if any glue gets out on the sides here, you can take that glass nail file and just, just file it down, nail it down. Don't nail it down. And you can also take your pad and you can swipe across there. That alcohol pad won't stick to the glue. You're wanting to swipe. You're not wanting to leave it on there and, let the glue set up with it. That's a big no-no, to stick the pad to your fingernail. Don't do that. But it's really easy to do. Now, sometimes I have lifting on my nails, and usually it will lift by the cuticle, because, you get oils and dirt and stuff, and it's usually going to lift up there. So I will just try to lift that nail, or try to bend it a little bit, and then go ahead and put my glue down in there. That's a little bit harder to do. These packs of nails do come with a little stick. You could put a little bit of your glue onto the stick and then, jab it underneath that, in between your nail and the false nail, and try to get a little bit extra glue under there if you want to. But this is the best glue that I've found. It lasts the longest. I do have little tubes of it that I've gotten off of Amazon, but this big tube I only found at Sally's. So I hope that helped you. It's the combination of the sticky tab and the glue together, and then this pressure. You want to make sure you get this pressure. And when you master this, you're only going to be doing this for about probably 30 minutes for your whole entire set of nails. It will take you. It really doesn't take me very much time at all anymore. All right, that's everything today. I'm going to throw up another video right here that you can look at, that is a tutorial video all about contouring your face. So I hope you're having a great day. Come back and see me again in my next video, and happy fingers, everybody. Take care. Bye.